Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, in this video we'll see how to solve the black screen problem in any Android phone. Well, by black screen I mean it's not like phone is switched off. The phone is on, you're able to feel that notification, hear the sounds of notification, but the screen is black. Or you're able to feel the buttons or feel the icons vibrating, or things are happening but you're not able to see the screen as it is completely black. So that is black screen. First, understand the difference between a black screen and a dead phone or a switched off phone which doesn't switches on. So when you find out that your screen is black and it is not responding, then let us follow these steps how to deal with that. So before going to that, let us find out why this black screen problem happens in phone. So as you can see, the LCD connectors of the phone, sometimes it might be loose. That is one of the reasons. Or sometimes it is exposed to extreme heat, maybe when you're keeping on the dashboard of a car for a long period of time. Due to that heat also, sometimes the black screen may happen. Sometimes the phone might be charged for a longer period of time, which further heats the phone. That could be also a reason for black screen. Or sometimes the apps are incompatible with this phone, or sometimes the cache of the apps are not deleted. So these 4 to 5 reasons could be the reason of black screen, apart from many other reasons. So let us see how to deal with these problems of black screen and find solution to it. So first of all, just see that the buttons are free, they are not jammed. Like sometimes the power buttons or many other buttons could be jammed. So for that, try to check your buttons by pressing it a lot of times and freeing it up, and see that whether the buttons are free or jammed. Similarly with the ports also, they don't have dust or dirt especially in the charging port, so that you get confirmed that the charging is happening smoothly. There's no charging problem at all. And sometimes the reason for black screen could be critical system error. Sometimes happens in the phone OS also. So for that you need to discharge your phone completely. Keep it as it is for 1 day, 2 days, so that the battery drains out, because nowadays we can't take out the battery as we used to in previous years, like 2 to 3 years before. But now you have to wait for 1 or 2 days so that the phone battery completely gets discharged or drained. Then charge it for another 10-15 minutes and switch it on, so that it automatically somehow resets itself, its OS and all these things, and your screen again, if it's a critical system error, then really again go for the normal screen instead of a black screen. Sometimes in the similar way, you have to force restart your phone. For force restarting your phone, there are many ways for many other phones. For example, for OnePlus, it could be your power button and volume up button. If you press this simultaneously, then it will force restart it. So find out your force restart methods in Samsung, MI and other Android phones on Google or in your phone manual. So once you force restart, sometimes that software glitch rectifies itself automatically and your phone starts behaving normally. Another one method is to reboot your phone in safe mode. Again, I say go to your phone manual and see, or on internet, how find your model and see how to reboot your phone in safe mode. So once you, for example, in Samsung, it happens like you reboot your phone once you press your power button, and once that power off message comes, press and hold it, and then safe mode option comes. So similarly in other phones, you can have many different ways to go to safe mode. Find out and go to safe mode and remove the cache of all the apps if possible, to get back to the normal screen instead of a black screen. And at last I will say a very silly thing, but just check whether your LCD connectors are well connected with your chip or not, with the display or not. Just try to press it. If by pressing in some angle the phone starts behaving normally, that means your LCD connectors are a bit loose. So if you found out this kind of thing, then go to your care or go to your phone repair shop and say that this is happening, and you'll understand that there is some loose connection in LCD connectors. So friends, I hope this video gives you a lot of solution on how to solve the issue of black screen problem, if at all you have in your phone. So follow this 4 to 5 steps that I have shown you in this video, and I really do hope that this solves your problem. And if nothing happens, then obviously go to your phone repair shop and solve it there if all these things doesn't work. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this across various platforms. And please don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel, Infotainment, to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.